Take 2 paper cups, thread or string and scissor. Make holes and attach thread or string. Use paper clips or tie a knot so the thread will not come out. Stretch the thread and start your conversation. Try to speak on the phone. You shall speak by placing your mouth in the paper cup and ask your friend to place the paper cup to his/her ear and then try to listen. We realize how sound travels through the string and thus the string acts as a medium. If we talk normally, we can hear up to a certain distance. But if we use a cup phone, we can even hear whispering from a long distance.